Come on, come on! If you wish to sail across the sea, if you wish to come back with a cargo full of silver, then come with me aboard my boat. I promise you it does not leak. I promise you will not get very wet. And I promise you that by the end of it, you will come back. And hopefully your mind will be as full as your belly.
My belly is quite big.
Well, maybe not you then, but for those who are a bit smaller of stature, perhaps you would like to come and help me row out across the sea and go over the horizon and sail where there is silver to be found. That sounds like a good idea to you. You want to come on an adventure? You want to go on an adventure? Well, if you wish to join me in an adventure, then you'll need to come and take up an oar. You'll hold your oar at this end, and you'll face towards the stern of the boat. That's the prow of the boat. That's the stern. But if you want to join in, come, pick up an oar. Those who are a bit smaller may need a bit of help. That's a good idea. Always good to have extra people. Now, when you hold your oar, you hold it in front of you like this, with two hands. But now, just hold it down like this. We're not going anywhere just yet. Be nice and relax. And if you have any extra people, you can kind of stand in the boat. No, never mind. Stand in the shade. That's a good idea. I'm standing in the sun, which is a bad idea. So, you hold your oar like this, and you listen, and you watch for the commands. Because we are going to row out in our fine boat here. Now obviously we're not actually going anywhere, but we are using the boat of our imagination. And with that boat, we can go far out to sea, over the horizon, to distant lands, and maybe we will come back with silver. So, the way we row the boat is, for you, you keep the blade of the oar resting on the ground. You do not lift the blade up like this. You keep it on the ground like that. Blade stays on the ground. But when we row, we push the oar forward. It goes forward. Then we strike the oar down into the water. Strike! And as we're doing this, I'll show you what we're doing. We're striking the blade of the oar down into the water, so that it bites into the waves. And now the oar has bitten, and we heave to with all of our strength. So, are you ready? I can't hear you. Are you ready? Yeah. Excellent. So, forward. Strike. Heave to. Yeah, you all got the idea. That's good. Right. I have a spare oar here if anyone wants one. Okay. Now, put your oars down because we're not quite ready to go out yet. Because first we need to look for where the silver is. Where exactly are we going to go to find all of that wonderful silver? And we will come back, and I promise you, by the time we are done with this, we will have silver up to our knees. So first, we send someone up to a high hill, and there they look out to sea, and they are looking for the wheeling birds, the sea birds, that as they fly high above the ocean, they spot the silver of the fish being driven to the surface by the dolphins and the sharks. And then we see the birds gathering in a great cloud above the fish and plummeting down into the sea to eat their fill. And we now need to get there soon. because they'll eat all of our fish. You all like fish? You all want fish to eat for your supper? No. Oh, maybe we should just give it a skip then. Okay. We'll go home now. No. Because we want our fish. You see, the fish is not only for eating, the fish is also for trading. I said we come back with silver. And we will. Also, maybe we have to trade a bit of it to get nice, shiny arm rings like this. So, we spotted them far out to sea. And now, we need to grab on to the side of the boat. So grab hold of the boat there. And we need to grab hold of the whale, like this. And now, we need to heave the boat out into the sea. Here it is lying on the beach, and we need to send it out to the sea. So, are you ready? Heave ho! Heave ho! Heave ho! Oh, I feel like I'm doing all the work here. Come on! Heave ho! Splash! The boat is in the sea, and now we need to row out. So everyone, grab your oars. Now remember, we all need to do this in time. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
Right. Now, sing out with me. Forward! Oh, no, we need it. Remember, forward, and you push your oar forward. And then you strike, and it bites into the water. And then you heave to, and you pull it back. As you pull it back, the boat is swishing through. Oh, no, pick up your oars, You're not done yet. As you heave to, oars bite, like a giant insect crawling forward, the boat sails through the water. So, are you ready? Right. Forward. Strike. Heave to. 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 Okay. We're getting a bit further out. Put your oars down now and have a rest. Getting a bit further out. Further out into the sea. And the waves are beginning to rock the boat. And they're beginning to get higher and higher and higher. But our boat is strong. The keel of the boat is like a sword in the sea. It cuts through the waves like the sword cuts through the shield wall. But, like a sword in battle, it is not inflexible. It does not break. Instead, it bends with the waves. It bends with the waves and springs back into shape. So, like a sword, we crash through the waves. We crash through the waves. But I'm afraid you also get a little wet. Now! Oh no, we lost one overboard! Oh! Well, maybe we'll come back for you later. But now, we need to get rowing again, because the herring are out there. We can see the sea boiling ahead of us. And we need to drag our net through that boiling sea and catch us some herring. So grab your oars. And this time, I really want to hear you singing out the chant. Forward! Strike! Heave to! Oh, use all your strength. We need to go quickly now. Forward! Strike! Heave to! Forward! Strike! Heave to! Forward! Strike! Heave to! Forward! Strike! Heave to! Forward! Strike! heave to. Right, oars down, quickly. Now we all need to grab the net. Oars down, oars down. So come over here and grab the net. Quick, grab it along here. That's good. And now we're going to catch ourselves some fish. Get off. We'll go over here and get some fish.
Okay, come on,
This one looks
this
like
way,
a
everyone.
tempting fish.
Yes, yes.
Lovely fish.
Yay! A fish!
Caught our fish. Silver and wriggly. Now,
Let it wriggle! Let it wriggle!
roll the net back in.
Look at my lady!
Mind the rope. All the fish back in. Now, the boat is full of fish, and now you are all the fish. I need to flip-flop around the boat, flip-flop around the boat, flip-flop around the boat. And we're up to our knees in silver fish that's flopping around. This is the silver we were after, the treasure we were here to find, the herring. With these herring, we can eat. Yeah, fish. We were going fishing all this time. You thought we were going raiding. You thought that we were going across the sea to steal. No, we're here to get ourselves a nice tasty supper. So now, the fish are all in there. And now, we are going to row back to land. So, back on your horse. Your favourite fish. More rowing. So, are you ready? Forward! Are you on the wrong side? No! The oars are crossed, we're going in circles! Ah! You know what that means? Always!
Every time we get something wrong, you just go splash us.
Right! Okay, now are you ready? Good! Forward! Strike! Heave to! 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 Whoa! We've hit the beach and we're home! So oars down! We've made it! We've got our silver catch! And now we can smoke it! Now we can salt it! Now we can dry it out in the sun! But we made it home with our catch! And so, well, that's the fishing adventure done! So, well done! You've been an excellent crew! Thank you very much!
What did you say?